Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain on how to work with workspaces and projects in Talend Open Studio. Before starting this session, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Gangadhar, working as Senior Data Engineer in Kpro Solutions Private Limited. Kpro is a leading provider in data lake, cloud implementation, IoT, blockchain, analytics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning, and mobile application development. In last video, I explained on how to install Talend Open Studio. So once we have Talend Open Studio installed in our system, the next step is to know what is the workspace and projects. So as part of this session, I am going to explain how to work with different workspace directories, how to create a project, and how to import a project, and how to delete a project, and how to export a project. Now, what is workspace? So workspace is a directory where a Talend stores all project folders and use as a work area. So to start any work in our Talend, we need a workspace directories. So we have an option in Talend Open Studio where we can change the directory of workspace as per our preference. So let's see how to change the workspace directory. So when you open the Talend Open Studio, to change the workspace directory, you have to go to the file option and click on the switch project or workspace. So this is how. Go to the switch project or workspace, click on it. Now you will be putting into the login page of Talend Open Studio. So once you are in a login Open Studio, go to the manage connections and here you will have the workspace. So if you see here, the Talend is using d:/Talend/workspace3. So what I will do, I will create a new directory called workspace4 and I will change the workspace directory to workspace4. So click on it, go to my directory where I have created the new folder. It's nothing but I have created the under Talend I have created the workspace4. So keep in mind that to change our workspace directory, the target workspace directory should be empty. Then only Talend will accept. Otherwise, it will give you error saying that the folder is not empty. Okay. So once you select the new folder for workspace, you will see the workspace has been changed. Please restart. So we have to restart to affect the new workspace directory. So I'm clicking restart. So this is how we can change the workspace directory in Talend Open Studio. So now once we have the workspace created, the next step is to create the project. So now what is project? In Talend Open Studio, project is a highest physical structure for storing all different types of data integration jobs, metadata and routines, etc. That means whatever you are doing in the Talend Open Studio like jobs, metadata, routines, those will come under a project for which we need to create a project. So let's see how to create a project in Talend Open Studio. To create a project, first we have to go to the login page of the Talend Open Studio and we have to click on the create a new project option and we have to provide the name that we wanted to create. So here I will give the project name my first project. RST project and click finish. After you finishing the creating the project, you will be putting into the Talend Open Studio welcome page under which you can see the project name that you have created, my first project. So this is how we create the project in a Talend Open Studio. Now next we'll see how to import a demo project in Talend Open Studio. So here again you have to go to the login page of Talend Open Studio and you have to click on the imported demo project, which is highlighted here, and select. So if you see here, this is the option to import a demo project. Click on it and click on select tab. Once you select it, you will be able to see the available demo projects. So if click on it, so this is the project which will come as part of the Talend Open Studio software, and this is the description of this demo project. So you just click on it and finish it, and then you can give the demo whatever the name you want. So I am giving demo project and then click finish. So after finishing it, you will be able to see the project called demo underscore project. So to open that, you just select that and just click on the finish. So after opening this Talend Open Studio, you will be under demo underscore project. So where you can see the jobs which are developed as part of the demo, and context, also you can see code, metadata. So all these things will come as part of the demo project. So this is how to import a demo project in Talend Open Studio. So next is how to export a project. So basically once you complete the development work in our development area, so those jobs or projects should migrate to QA or then on production. So for which we have to export the project, and then those projects should be imported to the QA and then to production. So now I will show you how to export a project. So let's suppose I have a project called my first project, under which I have only one job, first job. So I'm just taking only simple job for simplicity. So now if I want to export this project and import into the QA, first I have to export this project. To do that, I have to go to here and click on export, and here are the options that you will have. So I'm going to the general. Under general you can have you can export the project in a normal file or in a archive file. So I'm selecting archive file and give next, and I'm selecting the project whichever I want to export, and so this is I'm exporting. So when you click on this box, that means whatever is there under this particular project will be exported, including the code, components, context, documentation, metadata, everything. Okay, so do this, and again you have to select the archive file path, so where you want to export the project as a archive file. So I am executing. So here I am giving the my first project. So under the desktop Talend demo, so I'm giving that, and then you have to make sure that under this option you can make sure that save in a zip format. Okay, create directory structure for file and compress the content of the files. So and then click finish. So if you go to that particular directory, you will be able to see the zip file with name my first underscore project. So this is how we can export a project as a zip file or as a normal folder. So now the next is how to import a project. So once we export the project, that project needs to be imported. So there is an option in the Talend Open Studio login page, import an existing project and select the project name. So here I am selecting the import an existing project, select it, and I am selecting the project name. I can mention my name, it's like my first project, and selecting the archive file, and I'm browsing that, and I'm going to the folder where I have exported this, and open it and finish it. So click OK. So now you will be able to see the my first project underscore project under the existing project list. So go to the finish. So this is how we can import a project into the Talend Open Studio. The next is how to delete a project. Again, to delete a project, again you have to go to the login page of Talend Open Studio. So in login page, you have to go to the manage connection and select the delete existing projects, and then you will be able to see the what are all the existing projects. So if you want to delete the demo project, you can select this demo and then you can click OK and OK, and then you will observe that the demo underscore project will go away from the existing project list. So this is how we can delete a project. So as part of this video, we learned how to work with different workspace directories, and how to create a project, and how to import a demo project, and how to import a normal project, and how to delete a project, and also we learned how to export a project. So thank you for watching this video. In next class, I am going to explain how to create a job in Talend Open Studio. Please provide your valuable feedback as a comment, or any topic that you want us to make a video, or any issue that you are facing in your project. Please provide your feedback on feedback@kpro.co.in. To learn more, you can follow us like blockchain, cloud, data science, ETL, Datalake, DevOps, big data testing, and cloud testing channels. Please follow us on YouTube, Facebook, or LinkedIn, or Twitter. Thank you. Let's keep learning.